In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Google Docs to a specific size. Whether you're working on an important document or just playing around with images, resizing is a fundamental skill that can really make your document pop. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening our Google Docs file where we want to insert the image. Once in your document, you'll want to navigate to the menu at the top. Click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open up a new window, the drawing canvas, where we'll work on inserting and resizing our image. Look to the right side of the drawing canvas for the image icon. Clicking this icon presents you with several options for uploading your image. You can choose to upload an image from your computer, or alternatively, you could take a snapshot with your webcam, use a URL, or even upload from your Photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. For this tutorial, let's focus on uploading from your computer. Click Browse and locate the image you want to use. Once you've found it, click Open. It's important to note that depending on your internet speed, the image might take a moment to fully load. Once your image loads on the drawing canvas, hit Save and Close. Your image will now appear within your Google Docs file. Now comes the task of adjusting the size to meet your specific needs. Click on the image and you will notice the appearance of image options at the top of your screen. Click on this option. With image options engaged, you'll see a panel open to the right side of your Google Docs window, providing you with a variety of options to modify your image. Focus on size and rotation. This section is where the magic happens. You'll notice as you change the height, the width adjusts automatically. This is because the lock aspect ratio is typically enabled by default, ensuring your image scales proportionally. But if you need only to adjust the height or just the width, you can easily do so by unchecking the lock aspect ratio box. Once unchecked, you're free to adjust the height or width independently, making those fine-tuned adjustments a breeze. And there you have it, a perfectly resized image in Google Docs, formatted to fit your exact specifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!